you with the mole. Yes, young man. A question.
I did not quite understand the last part.
Which part?
It's the mass of one mole of substance is called as molar mass.
Yes, the mass of 1 mole. Now, 1 mole of iron is equal to 56 grams. Now, this is the molar mass of iron. Of oxygen, it is 32 grams. Now, this is the mass of 1 mole of oxygen gas. This is molar mass. Of sulfur, it is 32 grams. Again, the difference is that sulfur, 1 mole of sulfur contains 1 mole of sulfur atoms. Of oxygen, it is 1 mole of molecules. It will have 2 moles of atoms because it is O2. In the case of ozone, let's take the example of ozone. The formula of ozone is O3. Now its mass is 48 grams. Why? Because it contains 3 oxygen atoms. 1 oxygen atom is 16. So 16 multiplied by 3 is equal to 48. So molar mass of ozone is 48 grams. Now you have understood it?
Yeah.
Excellent. Now, further we have to memorize. There are certain formulas for the mole. That is what you have to memorize. Now let's see what are the formulas. Mole is basically based on these 4 formulas. Now remember, there are different ways of writing it. Mole is equal to all of these 4 formulas. Now first formula is mass upon MR. MR is molar mass. Okay, relative molecular mass is known as MR. It may be also as AR because atomic mass is also there. Sometimes atoms, sometimes molecules. The other formula is volume in dm cube upon 24 if it is RTP, and the same formula will change to volume in dm cube upon 22.414 if it is STP. Please remember that in O levels it's only RTP, so you have to remember 24. Okay. In the case of solutions, concentration multiplied by volume in dm cube. Now concentration is always in the form of mole per dm cube. Remember that if this type of written form is there, that it is 0.2 moles per dm cube, 1 moles per dm cube, then it is concentration. And last but not the least is number of particles upon Avogadro's number. Here I am only taking 6 into 10 to the power 23. 6.022 is the actual number, but we can round off it to 6 into 10 to the power 23. Now these are the 4 formulas on which all the mole is based. You will have the questions relating to these 4 formulas. All of these are equal to mole. But sometimes the questions comes like they will give you the concentration and ask the mass. So first you have to convert this concentration into mole, and then from mole to mass. Now how will you do it? From concentration they will give you the volume. If the volume is in cm cube, divide it by 1000 and it will be dm cube. Now by this formula you will find mole, and then mole is equal to mass upon mr, as you can find the mr from periodic table, take this mR, multiply it with mole. Mole multiplied by mR is equal to mass. This is how you will change from one formula to the other formula. So under normal conditions in O levels, you will have the problem in the form of this, that they will give you volume of a gas, and remember this is only for gases. This is very important. This 24 and 22.414 are only for gases, but for O levels you have to remember that this is only 24. So skip this STP formula. You have to remember that volume in dm cube divided by 24 is the only for gases. Okay, they will give you volume of a gas. Normally, like they will write 72 cm cube. What will you do? First of all, change it into dm cube. Divide this by 1000. Then again divide it by 24. So whatever is the answer, the better way is to divide this cm cube directly by 24,000. It will be changed into mole in one step. Okay, whatever is the answer, now it is mole. You have reached this place. Then you can find the mass by applying this formula. Stop.